That guy is all over the fucking road. What the shit? So maybe he was just distracted on his fucking phone?
He's still crossing over in the other lane, so I'd call the cops.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Fairhope PD.
Foley Police, this is Jerry.
Yes, sir. I'm southbound 59 passing Burger King behind a possible drunk driver. Oh, Jesus.
He's definitely drunk. He just...
It's a white or silver pickup truck with a trailer. He's all over the road. He just struck the curb going off the road with his car and trailer. And he just did it again.
You said he went off the road?
Yes, sir. Multiple times.
Is he back on the road now?
Yes, sir.
Alright, you said he's proceeding which direction?
Southbound,
on Highway 59?
crossing Michigan now in front of Dodge's.
We have a possibly drunk driver south. You said southbound, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, he's southbound on 59, just past Dodge's.
Off the road again.
Oh, please don't go
White
in.
or silver pickup with a trailer.
He's heading towards the opposite lane.
He just crossed all the way from the right lane to the median.
He did what, sir?
He went from the far right lane all the way to the turn lane.
Jesus Christ.
We are in front of Walmart now.
They're in front of Walmart now. Thank you, sir. I'm relaying this to my shift leader.
He lost a tail light off of that.
He is stopping at the red light at Pride Boulevard.
He stopped at Pride at the red light.
I believe it's a Mississippi license plate. I cannot read it because of the trailer.
Put your hazards on.
And we're in front of Tanger Outlet now.
They're in front of Tanger Mall now. You can save it, never is. Is he still on the highway?
Still southbound 59, approaching the red light in front of Lambert's. And we have a red light at Lambert's. He just blew the red light at Lambert's. Continued
He ran
southbound.
the red light at Lambert's.
Yep. Off-road again.
He's now off the road in front of the Nissan dealer.
Off the road, is he still, or is he continuing?
He's still southbound.
He's crossing off in towards the ditch and then towards the median.
I see your officer going through. He is past those cars in front of us, up ahead on the right.
So he's still moving southbound?
Yes, sir. Right-bound lane, or right side lane at the moment.
What kind of vehicle are you in, sir?
Blue Jeep. They just passed us.
They're less than a quarter mile
Blue
from
Jeep.
him.
Blue Jeep. What's your what's the model, sir?
2015 Jeep Cherokee.
Cherokee.
This is a white pickup truck with the
Right.
trailer.
Sure. Since the police are in pursuit, I'm going to let you go.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Jesus Christ, that guy has gotta be fucking sloshed. If he's not, then he needs to get off the road because of how tired he is. Any bets on if this truck next to us is a gun it to try to get in front of us?
I'll take that bet. Or not.
Did he go into a ditch?
Looks like he's in the ditch.